we go. 1, 2, 3.
3. Oh, and that's exactly how they do it back in the day. There we go. Oh my God. Boom. Holy smokes. It's gone.
But this is exactly what code enforcement wanted from me.
What is going on, Cuffaros? Welcome back to another video. Today, man, am I excited to share what we've got going on. Hey babe, why do you always gotta poop in your water, dude? You're such a weirdo like that. For some reason, this pig, this is Babe right here, she likes to go in her water. Never made sense to me, but hi everyone. Guys ready to eat some breakfast? Oh yeah. Bubba's right here at the top of the fence. Right, Bubba? You're all stretched out. Now, one thing I do believe is they're empty. I got some more feed in the barn over there. Hopefully y'all are having an amazing day so far. We're having a really productive one here. As you can see, thankfully we've built the houses up on a little bit higher of land, but we have been getting a lot of rain. I mean, there's a literal 4 or 5 inch deep puddle around the entire barn. And then this time of year, rain is every single afternoon. It's currently drizzling right now. Look at the sky. It floods bad over here. I'm home right now, but I'm gonna fly you back to New York, picking up where we left off last video, feeding a bunch of crazy fish, and then we're gonna come back here and finish up our 3,500 gallon pond. Right, Rick and Morty? Tell them I'm right. So without further ado, let's take a trip back to New York. And we're here. We have made it to Rodrigo, Predatory Fins, my good friend, his new facility where they have pretty much everything you can think of. You literally name it, they've got it here. If you watch my last video, we did a full tour of this entire over $1 million facility. It's more like $5 million. My favorite thing of the entire video was this beautiful leopard shark right here. I love it. I can't get enough of it. I keep looking at it. If you guys think I should get one, let me know. Smash the like button or something. But today we're gonna be feeding these beasts in here. These guys are just so active. They want to eat my fingers off already. Lots of these turtles right here, lots of the stingrays, and so much more. So stick along, because a feeding of that, you don't see much often. This is soon to be a retail spot right here. You are going to be able to walk into those doors right there and see all the merch and all the fish tanks and everything by next year. So 2024, the new Predatory Fins will be opened up here in Long Island, New York. We'll do a big meet and greet or something. I want to see all you guys here. We'll make it a good time. Everywhere you walk in here, there's either non-used fish tanks or fully used fish tanks with beautiful stingrays in them. Look how big this fish tank is, just casually sitting right here. I mean, this tank must be, I can walk down the whole entire thing. It's probably 20-something feet long, and that is a fish tank. So I'm gonna ask Rodrigo what the heck he wants to do with a lot of these, because I have a building. Not saying I would get one, but I actually only have 2 small doors to enter my building, so I'd have to cut a hole through the building to get these in. Maybe I just install a garage or something. Look at this beautiful food. We got some silver sides along with that. Looks like we have, what is that?
Oh, this is a new feeder.
I don't know what that is.
We're gonna be selling soon.
And we have ghost shrimp right here. What is that?
Correct.
Though?
I can't say.
Okay.
But it's a small feeder that all the fish love.
Okay, so this is, you're gonna be selling this soon.
Yes, yes.
All right, so they can't give us the spice on that one, but
no, but watch their reaction to this food. I've never had any fish turn down this food.
Wow.
Even though they've never eaten it before.
Wow. Oh yeah, I love watching stingrays eat. So cool. Here we go.
It's like a little buffet.
We'll be able to watch these guys suck them right up. Ready?
Look at this.
Look at them.
Look at this.
They're waiting on it.
They don't even know there's a glass between them. Here we go.
Oh. There it is. Wow. I love how they go on top.
I think that's why they call them pups. It's like puppies like pouncing all over each other.
Look how high he sits.
Yep, he's
so
trying to...
He can suck them all under.
Exactly, like a suction cup. He's taking it all in.
Look at them go crazy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Bichers, they'll probably go crazy.
Okay, the bichers, they go crazy, but it takes them a second to smell it and understand that it's there.
We gotta try to see if the turtles want a little snack.
I'm gonna give them shrimp today. Hold on, I wonder what that guy's doing right there, you see?
Yeah.
You can comment.
Hey, what are you up to back there? Oh yeah, they're eating. These are such cool turtles. Albino soft shell. Get them. Oh, wreck that one. I wasn't recording. Oh yeah, he's chewing on it. That was dope. These are the flower rays. Last video we showed you guys these guys too, and they're so beautiful. That's one of Kevin's newer projects, newer breeding projects.
This guy's pretty cool. Thai, humpback, dragon humpback.
Now, of course, we got to come feed the aggressive little baby alligator gar.
Just gotta lower them out a little bit here.
See if they'll come out for a couple bites. Oh!
There we go. There's one action. Oh, he missed it.
Oh, and that's exactly how they do it back in the river when we catch them.
Okay, here we go. Fish again. I'm gonna drop it right there. Once they smell it, they go nuts.
Yeah,
berserk.
the red tails are gonna go crazy. Those things are just such awesome fish. Red tails are the best.
This is one of the things I love about this fruit here. It's like the right size to grow these small fish. That's one of the hardest things to find, is the right size food for the animals, especially for when it comes to like monster fish and predatory stuff.
Bro, they're ready to eat. The most aggressive ones here probably.
These guys are really well trained, and I like to sprinkle it a little bit at a time so you can see
Look at
them
them.
like, pick it out of the water.
Fast, it doesn't even last a second. Boom, boom, boom. Gone, gone, gone. Gone, gone, gone. Oh my goodness.
Go.
Peacock bass, great one to do.
These are Broca pondos. First I was thinking maybe they might be a little bit too big for their mouths, but they're also able to take it down.
I think this is gonna be the craziest feeding we have done yet. The Dorado, the golden Dorado. They are just gonna go absolutely nuts. Watch this. Look at that, they wanna bite my fingers off.
All right, we're gonna go with this.
Boom. Holy smokes,
Like
it's gone. It's gone.
Let's try this. They'll tear this up.
A big fish.
Let's see if they'll rip it up. Can't even see where it is.
Oh my gosh, you don't even know where it went.
It's right there, it's right there, right there.
Oh, yep. Wow, look at them go at it.
They're just tearing it up.
Holy smokes. Talk about piranhas, look at that. They are nuts. It's gone.
Let's give them 2 more, 3 more.
And these golden Dorados have teeth just like a piranha. Ooh, hand feeding.
All right.
Pacu.
Pacu.
Oh, peacock. That's a big Temensis.
Yeah, I'm not messing with him. Let's just give it to him. All right, ready?
All right, here we go. Oh! Woo-hoo-hoo. This is the one that I was really looking forward to feeding. Last video, it straight up attacked my camera. So this video, we're actually getting to feed these monsters. And look, can you tell that they're ready to eat? I've got the GoPro. It's time to put this thing underwater.
Here we go. 1, 2, 3.
3. Oh, it's my GoPro. Holy smokes. Literally. Oh, they got my camera. Dude, those are some crazy fish. My camera is soaked, guys. I'm sorry. The albino tank. This tank probably has around $100,000 worth of fish inside of it, which is crazy. We're about to feed them. Who's gonna get it?
Left or right,
Make your bets, left or right.
1, 2, 3, go. Oh, nobody.
No, he's gonna get it.
There.
Boom! Oh my gosh, that was fast.
Goonch.
Oh, the goonch got it. When the heck do you ever see an albino goonch catfish? Oh, here we go. Oh, dude, left us in the dust. Come on, dude. Oh!
Come on, you got it. Oh.
Wow. He's so... Boom! I want to see one of these gar get it. There he goes. He ate one. Oh. Oh. Oh!
It's like watching a white dude not know how to use chopsticks.
I got Rod here for this albino aquarium. Rod,
well, the golden tank.
What do we got going here? Yeah, the golden tank.
You have the golden alligator gar, which is actually albino. You have the yellow Florida gar. It's Cree golden barramundis. I think he got into a fight with somebody, but that should heal.
Craziest fish tank.
And then the golden goonch right here.
Thanks so much for watching up to this point of the video. I mean, we've done a lot, but it's time now. It's time we leave you.
It's time for you to get out of here. See you guys next time.
It's time we leave Rodrigo. We're hopping on the plane and going home. Don't leave me. Are you crying?
No.
Let's hope it's big enough. Smells good. Like straight plastic. Blue?
Yeah.
I figured we'd be able to see the fish better. The black was so dark, it looked like a pit. This blue is so nice. I really do hope it's big enough though. I measured it and it was like big enough by ½ inch. That's gonna look so epic. Hector, what do you think?
Well, that looks really good, man.
Big shout out to Next Day Koi for sponsoring this entire build. If you guys want any koi fish, goldfish, 10% off. The link is down below in every single one of my YouTube's videos descriptions. Go check out that link. You guys use it constantly. I've been working with them for years now, and they decided since we're doing a colorful pond here, koi fish, goldfish, mollies, platies, they were gonna sponsor the whole entire thing. So big shout out to them, hence why their banner is literally on my house. And that was my idea, by the way, not theirs. I was like, dude, it would be so cool to stick up a banner on the wall. Do you have one? And the pond is coming together step by step. Permitting took forever. Permitting's still not done. This was the step they wanted me to do once the other permits were already done. Now, as you can see, yeah, paperwork. Once I finish this last step, then we can fill it up with water. Hector, my goodness, you move so fast. Look at this, guys. It looks so good with blue liner. Oh my goodness. Best thing I've ever done. As you can see, look at this wood with that blue liner, white outside rock. Just pitch perfect. Couldn't have picked any better combination of colors. This is natural cedar wood. This is red cedar to be exact. And this wood is very, very pricey. But this is exactly what code enforcement wanted from me. Your boy's so tired of the permits, I literally highlighted cedar because code enforcement likes to build. Oh, baby. Hoo-hoo-wee. And that right there, fellas, is the front 3,500 gallon pond complete. I want to know your honest opinion in the comments down below. The blue liner or the black liner, what do you like better? I'm telling you, I am a big fan of the blue liner. I believe it's going to allow us to see our fish a lot better than we did when the black liner was in here. I do, before I even put water in here, before I'm even allowed to put water in here, I want to put concrete blocks, like stack them up, or some sort of ledge. Maybe we make it out of PVC or something. It'll be a totally different video for all the live plants I want to put in here. Lots and lots of live plants. As you saw, Hector sanded all this wood down. This pond is finally ready to get water, fill it up, and plug it in so we can finally get our koi fish, mollies, platies, goldfish. This is gonna be called the colorful pond, and we're just gonna have so many beautiful, colorful fish living their best lives in here. I can't wait. I cannot wait. I appreciate you all for watching. We've literally been in New York and then back to Florida in the same exact video, finishing a pond. It's been really, really busy. At this moment right now, you guys will see the video soon, but the saltwater pond has a cave. It's got water. It's got it all. So make sure you subscribe down below. You smash that like button. If this hits 25,000 likes, maybe I'll post a video tomorrow. Pond is done. It's complete. And I'll see you right back here in the very next video. Peace. I swear, every time I walk in the door, this guy is looking right at me. And I don't like it. You gotta get rid of this thing, Rod.
Nah, bro, this is Bob. Bob is here.